Good afternoon, all of you. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to solve the programming in Python week 8, which due date is 19 October 2024. Okay, I am Ananjan Shaw. I have 17 years of experience. Okay, and I'm happy to that I am going to solve these questions. Now we have to open the terminal here. Okay, assignment 8, July 2024. There are near about 10 questions and we will try to solve the 10 questions as soon as possible. Okay, let's start the first questions. What is the directory in the Python? Four options are given. Okay, the first one is a collection of order data, a collection of key value pairs, a collection of unique elements, and a collection of mutable elements. Here, a collection of key value pairs is the right answer. C. Directories in Python store data in key value pairs, where each key is unique and associated with a corresponding value. So, a collection of a key value pair is the right answer. Moving to the question number 2, which of the following is the correct syntax for creating a directory in the Python? Correct syntax. The correct syntax is, yes, this one, my directory q1, value 1, key2, and value 2. Okay. See, this is the correct syntax, option D. That is this the correct syntax for creating the directory Pythons using curly braces, to enclose the key values pair. 2, option D is the right answer. Question number 3, which statement is true about the keys in the Python directory? Option C, key must be unique. Key must be unique and of an immutable data type. Okay. So, keys in Python directory must be unique to ensure efficient lookup and cannot be modified. Immutable data like string, numbers, and tuples are suitable keys. So, 3, option C, keys must be unique and of an immutable data type. 3, option C is the right answer. Moving to the question number 4, what would be the output of the following code? Okay, so we just copy this code. Okay, and copy this code, and we have to paste in a terminal. First of all, clear this. We have to copy the code and paste the code here and simply run the code. Okay, then what will be the answer here? Answer will be C. It will be 2. Okay, output will be 2. Now see why output will 2. The code access the value associated with the key B in the directory, my directory, with which is 2. Okay, so answer is the 2. Here 2, that means 4. Option B is the right answer. 4, option B is the right answer. Moving to the question number 5, how you can safely access the value of a key that might not exist in the directory. That might not exist in the directory. Option is the directory get key. C, dict.get key. This get method provides a safe way to access the value of a key, returning a default value of a none if the key doesn't exist. Okay, so 5, option C is the right answer. Moving to the question number 6, my directory is to 1, is to 2, and is to 3. My directory equal to 5. Okay, then print my directory. Then what will, it will be 6, option B. Replace the value of key B with 5. Okay, see, we simply copy this code and we have to verify from our end. I just simply paste here and to run the code. I simply here clear the output, then again run. Then it will be like this: A1, B5, and C to 3. Code execution successful. Okay, this is the output. This is the output. Then what will be the answer here? Answer will be B. Okay, replace the value of the B with a 5. Okay, this will be the answer. So 6, option B is the right answer. 6, option B. Moving to the question number 7, which method is used to remove a key from a directory? For that purpose, we use pop. Okay, see here, The pop method is used to remove a key value pair from a directory, returning the removed value. Okay, so pop method is used. Pop method is used. 7. Option C is the right answer. Moving to the question number 8. Okay, what is the following? What is the output of the following code? Okay, simply output of print minimum. It is asking about the minimum value. So, what is minimum? Minimum is equal to 1. Here, we can copy the code and clear the output. See, paste the code here and run this code. It will be display A. Okay, because A belongs to the value 1. Code execution successful. Okay, so which one? That is A. The code finds the key with the minimum value using mean functions. Using here mean functions. And the key equal to dot get, that is called argument, which specifies that the comparison should be based on the value associated with the key. Okay. So 8, option A is the right answer. Okay. A is the right answer. Moving to the question number 9. How you can iterate overall key and values in a directory. Overall key and values in a directory. This is for k v in directory items. Okay. See, for k v in directory items, this loop iterates over both keys and values in a directory. Both keys and values in a directory, unpacking them into key and v respectively. So 9B is the right answer. Moving to the last question, what will be the output of the following code? Again, we will copy the code, okay, and copy the code. Okay, let's understand what will be the output. Directory 1 is to 10, and 2 is to 20, 3 is to 30, 4 is to 40. Directory 1, update directory 2, then print directory 1. Then it will be the, how much? It will A is to 10, 2 is to 20, 3 is to 30, and 4 is to 40. So simply to know the output of this code, we simply clear here, okay, and simply paste the code here and run this code. After running this code, see here what will the output is. 1 is to 10, 2 is to 20, 3 is to 30, and 4 is to 40. Code execution successful. Okay, guys, I am simply running the code, and whatever the output will come, I am going to display in front of you. See here the output. Then we have to find where is the output is here. So this is the output. Okay, 1 is to 10, 2 is to 20, 3 is to 30, and 4 is to 40. Once again, we will verify the answer from our end. Okay, so question number 1, B is the right answer. Question number 2, D is the right answer. Question number 3, that is question number 3, C is the right answer. Question number 4, B is the right answer. Question number 5, C is the right answer. Question number 6, B is the right answer. Question number 7, C is the right answer. Question number 8, A is the right answer. Question number 9, B is the right answer. And question number 10, A is the right answer. Now I'm going to submit the answer button. Okay. Message came, your answer is successfully submitted. I'm going to close it. Thank you for taking the assignments. Okay. And it is clearly mentioned the date and time. Now, guys, I hope you must enjoy this video. If you enjoy, definitely you must like and share video. And very soon I'm going to update the answer keys of assignment 9 July 2024. Till then, you must prepare from your end. Okay. And take care of yourself.